Hi there, welcome back with the fifth puzzle in this edition of today's newspaper on Wednesday, July the 1st, 2020. The fifth puzzle, a binary puzzle. What kind of binary puzzle is this? Let me count the boxes. So we have, let me position the focus the binary puzzle. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there's always a 4 O's and 4 ones. So let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double O, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have double one here and O, there and O. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Double O, here and 1, there and 1. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. We have here 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Then double one here and O, there and O. And then double one here and O, there and O. And then yeah, then I need to compare. Yeah, this row and that row. 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch those numbers. We have here an O, so this should be an 1. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. 4 O's in this column, so the rest are ones. Double one here, no, there, no. Then I need to compare again, I think. Yeah. This second row and the first row is almost the same. 0 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0 0 empty box 1 1. So I need to switch those two numbers. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O, and we have a O here, so this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 ones in this column, so the rest are O's. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. We have here 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then do I need to compare again? Let me see. 3 O's, 3 ones, 3 O's, 3 ones. I think we need to compare again. And how about the first column and the fifth column? 1 1 1 1 0 0 0 1 1 empty box 0 0. So we need to switch these two numbers. We have a 1 here, so this should be an O. We have O here, so this should be a 1. 1 2 3 4 4 1. So the rest are O's. Double O here, a 1 and there 1. Finish in 5 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku, great binary puzzle. 2 columns, 4 rows to compare. Yes. If you like this, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in a moment with the last Sudoku, a tectonic, aka Suguru. So see you later.